Good morning, students. I am Srinivas sir. In the previous class, we can discuss some of the problems to solve in the rational numbers. That means using the property, we can try to solve the some of the problems. So many students are very confusing to solve the problems using the properties. Here one problem I can explain how to solve using the appropriate property. Let's we move. See, here one problem using property. Find minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Here the random arrange in the problem. So here all the operations, okay, we can discuss some of the properties here. Let's we recall commutative property is nothing but a plus b is equal to b plus a. Commutative property a plus b is equal to b plus a. For example, 2 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 2. Then answer is 6 is equal to 6. Both LHS and RHS are, the answer is 6 here. So it satisfies the commutative property. And we come to the commutative property with respect to multiplication. 2 into 4 is equal to 4 into 2. If you change the order means it's works on commutative property in both LHS and RHS. The answer is 8. So that we say commutative property. We come to the case of subtractions. It's not holds good because a minus b is not equal to b minus a. For example, 2 minus 4, that's not equal to 4 minus 2. It is not equal. So it's not satisfy commutative property with respect to rational numbers. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 2 minus 4, its value is minus 2, and 4 minus 2 value is plus 2. So is not equal. This is the case of subtraction. And a minus a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. It's in the case of division. For example, we take 2 by 4 is not equal to 4 by 2. 2 by 4 is not equal to 4 by 2. So the commutative properties satisfy only addition and multiplication, not for subtraction and division. Next we discuss. So a minus b is not equal to b minus a, but a minus b is equal to minus b plus a. Remember students, a minus b is not equal to b minus a, and a minus b is equal to minus b plus a. Minus b plus a. So we come to the problem. Okay, we come to discuss the distributive property. A distributive property is a into b plus c. A into b plus c is equal to ab is equal to ab plus ac. Is if you have nothing sign means it says multiplication. So we can multiply a into b plus into plus a into c. It is ac. It is ac. So a into b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. Ab plus ac. This is the distributive property. Okay, we can come to solve the problem. Here minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Students, just I grouped these two and these two because in these two terms 3 by 5 is a common ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇವೆರಡು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇದು -2/3 ಮತ್ತು 3/5, -3/5 ಇಂಟು 1/6. ಇವೆರಡು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? 3/5 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ -3, ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. -3/5 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎರಡನ್ನು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ರೀರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಹೌ? ಸಿ, -2/3 into 3/5. Now -3/5 into 1/6. The last term is +5/2. Just I rearrange the term. Rearrange a plus b is equal to b plus a. I use that property. -3/5 into 1/6. A, okay, we can also write as a minus b is equal to -b plus a, not as a minus b is equal to b minus a. 5/2. Okay, I just rearrange using the commutative property. Next is 3/5 minus 3/5. Okay, I remains as same signs as it is and not change any signs. So we can rewrite this term by using commutative property. Next, we take out the common term. We take out common term by distributive property. Okay. Look here I have 3/5 and next term I have 3/5. So it is a common term between two groups. You take it as a common 3/5, put bracket. What's the remaining term here? 3/2. Both are multiplication factor. We take common -2/3. Okay, 3/5, take it as common. Minus into plus remains is 1/6 plus 5/2. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ 3/5ನ ಹೊರಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? a ಇಂಟು b ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು AC ಪ್ಲಸ್ AB. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ AC AB ಇದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರೋದ ಹೊರಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ -2/3 -1/6, write as it is, close the bracket. Next is the last term 5/2. Now simplify this term. Minus, okay, take the LCM between 3 and 6. Its LCM is 6. Again you solve with the problem. It happen -4 -1. Using the fraction addition and subtraction we can simplify this. Next we can move to further simplification. -4 -1 is -5/6 as it is. This is 3/5 is nothing, means it is a multiplication. In between bracket and this term have multiplication sign, so we have to multiply here. Next here 5 gets cancelled. Okay, rewrite this plus 5/2. Okay, 5 gets cancelled. 5 gets cancelled. Next 3 1s are 3 2s are. Write this. Nothing will there, means -1. It is -1/2 plus 5/2. Here both denominator are same. Take common denominator. 2 as a common denominator.